Hello everyone, my name is Kevin and thank you for joining me today. In this presentation, I'll be walking through a comprehensive industry and system analysis of one of the Australian most innovative financial institutions, the Commonwealth Bank of Australia, or you know as CBA. We will explore how CBA uses IT system not just for support tools, but as a strategic driver of competitive advantage. Let's begin with a quick overview of who they are. So CBA was established in 1911 in headquarters in Sydney. It's a part of Australian Big Four banks and serves over 7 million customers. What sets CBA apart of its leadership in digital innovation, with over 8.5 million CommBank app users and a firm commitment to AI, cloud infrastructure, and cybersecurity. In fact, CBA invests over 2 billion annually in technology. This makes it the perfect candidate for system process mapping in an enterprise IT context. So, how do we analyze such a complex environment? I choose Porter 5 process. Why? Because it gives us a clear external view of the competitive pressure shaping the banking industry. So as a student, I don't have internal access to CBA system, so tools like SWOT or PEST wouldn't give us the same depth. Porter model allow us to zoom in on how CBA competes, survives, and thrives in the digital first world. Let's look at our first force, the spread of new entrants, and it's low. To operate at a bank in Australia, you need to regulate by APRA or ASIC, and that's not easy. These organizations enforce strict security, capital, and governance requirements. On top of that, CBA spends over 2 billion a year on advanced systems like their AI-powered customer engagement engine. Even if a fintech launched a slick app matching CBA infrastructure and trust, that's nearly impossible. Moving on to substitutes. Now this is where things heat up. The threat is moderate to high. We own seen apps like Afterpay, Wise, on even crypto platforms, often a quick, low-cost alternative to traditional banking. But CBA is still sitting still. They respond with smart in-app tools like Loan Tracker or BillSense, used by over 3 million people monthly. These tools make banking appropriate and personalized, so customer doesn't feel the need to look elsewhere. Next, buyer power. And here's the truth. Customers have the power. It's easy to switch bank now. Open banking and digital onboarding make it feel tax away. And with most banking produced commoditized, the difference is all in experience. CBA's Commonwealth Bank apps delivers here. It offers features like name check or corner check for security and Trello reward to build loyalty. That's how they stay one step ahead of the churn. And now let's flip with the perspective. Supplier power is moderate. CBA relies on major partners like AWS or Microsoft Azure, plus high-skilled cybersecurity and AI talent. These aren't easy to replace, but thanks to CBA scale, they also have strong negotiation power. They also build from within, developing over 60 generative AI use case to reduce dependency. And we come to the more intense force, the competitive rivalry. And in Australia, banking is very high. The Big Four compete with the same customer base, and fintechs are taking bites out of every product category. But CBA holds the lead. Why? Because they dominate in net promoter score, user interface, and app features. With 8.5 million app user and cutting-edge tools like real-time fraud alerts. They're not just a bank, they are a digital powerhouse. So what does this mean? Let's tie it together. So CBA faced three major industry issues: fintech industry disruption, rising buyer expectation, and margin pressure from regulation. But with challenge come opportunity. Through AI personalization, open banking, and enhanced cybersecurity, CBA can deepen engagement and protect its lead. So now let's move into the system side of the analysis. The swim lane diagram shows how the CommBank app works across five key components: the customer, the app, middleware, core system, and communication layer. From login to logout, everything flows through this integrated pipeline, whether it's a balance check, a bill payments, or a funds transfer. Data moves securely and instantly through CBA's layer architecture. And this system support on-call business function. The government through 2FA audit logs and RBIA compliance. The communication via send messages, email confirmation, and push notification. A customer experience through in-app budgeting tools and AI alerts, or a risk management via name check and anomaly detection. And efficiency by using APIs and cloud to reduce downtime. For example, when a customer pay a bill, the request move from through the middleware to the core system, and is processed, blocked, and confirmed through the comms layer instantly. This is how IT enables security, compliance, and customer satisfaction in one seamless action. To make it crystal clear, here's a quick summary of how IT supports CBA's strategic function. So the governance is ensure the strong login protocols and compliance logs. Communication is proactive in real time. Customer experience is personalized and convenient. Risk management is an AI power and fast. And operational efficiency is achieved through APIs and 99.83% uptime. So it's all tied together by the app. To conclude, CBA operates in one of the most competitive, regulated, and digitally distributed industries in Australia. Through bottom model, we see the pressure, and through system analysis, we see the response. The CommBank app is just a tool. It's a digital ecosystem that supports every part of the bank mission. Technology isn't side function, it's the core of strategy. And thank you for listening. I'm Kevin, and this is my way system mapping of Commonwealth Bank of Australia.